is there anything drivers can do to prevent a faulty background check from ever happening in the first place, or is it just sort of luck of the draw?
Yeah. I mean, it's one of those things.
Can I change my name to something really unique?
Don't do anything. Change your name to a very, very, very weird name.
Yeah.
And don't do it. I mean, it's so hard the way big data works.
Just sort of happens.
There really is no poison. There is no pill that you can swallow that will stop a bad background report.
Yeah.
It's out there. The data's flying around, and if it connects poorly, it connects poorly. What you can do, like we said before, is make sure that you're on as many platforms as you can be on. That way.
Actually, that's probably the best advice, huh?
Yeah, I think if one of them knocks you out, then you still have your shot to continue to make money with the others. I think that's probably the best thing you can do.
Yeah, I really like that, if you're sort of a rideshare driver, you sign up with Uber and Lyft, and then you add one delivery service at sort of a bare minimum. If you're a delivery driver, you sign up for 2 delivery services, add a rideshare service, just so you sort of have that diversification. I mean, even myself, like I'm signed up with Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Postmates, Uber Eats, Instacart.
Yeah.
Like I'm signed up for all of them. And, maybe some of my cards are expired, or I might need to do a background check on a few of them. But once you're signed up, even if you don't drive for 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, you can actually get back on a lot easier than signing up brand new.